my loves, welcome back to another video. Of course, it's your girl Moya, and we are feeling way better than we were a few days ago, so the show goes on, honey. Today we're going to be doing a budget breakdown of $17.05, and this is what we made for December week 3. So we're going to jump up into our budget planner and we're going to break down our $17.05. We're going to do our positive quote, of course, even though I know we haven't been doing that for a few days or a few of these posts, but baby, it's not easy to get rid of your girl here, okay? So let's go ahead and pick a card and look what this positive quote says for today. Always find the good. I know sometimes things happen where we feel like we can't really see the good in the situation, but you have to try to think positively and keep a positive mind, because that's the only way you're going to survive this life. For real, for real. We have the $17.05 here in cash. This is coming in from makeup, lashes, website, YouTube. Everything is all jumbled up in one. So we're gonna go ahead and do our breakdown, and we're going to be doing separate videos for each stuffing. So let's get into that. Here's our budget planner. I already filled out my calendar for the month of December. I've already did this part. Right here, I've already stuffed $910 inside of bills. $510 was what's left to be stuffed inside of bills. So we're going to separate that and we're going to do that stuffing. And then it says here, we were expecting $2,135 on this calendar, and this was from makeup and lashes. And in total, let me tell y'all what the current income is, because this month was really good. For this month we made $3,295. $2,000 was coming from makeup, $190 was coming from YouTube, and we made $1,105 from the website. So this month's income was really nice. I still have more clients before the month ends. That's going to just be extra cash. All of my clients came through. I didn't have any cancellations, so that was perfect. So every single dollar was made. Now where y'all see the X's, I didn't have anything those days. On the days where y'all don't see the X's was when I worked. I put the amounts. So let's get into the budget breakdown. So we're gonna start with the month, December 2023. Week 3, we have income. I'm just gonna put all income, $17.05. Total $17.05 is what we have. So to bills, we are putting $510. Low priority, we're putting $200 in there. Savings, we're saving $305. Sinking funds, $240. And then, oh, I didn't put high priority. Oh no, I didn't put high priority. Let's turn this into high priority. High priority. Inside of high priority, we are putting $250. Total income $17.05. Expenses $510. Save $350. Sinking funds, let's put sinking funds, high priority and high priority together. That is $490. And I tweaked this thing and didn't tweak it good. Y'all see this? Now I'm gonna have to do it over. Low priority $200. So nothing's remaining. For high priority, so we have emergency, moving out, healthcare, tax prep, citizenship, and credit cards. And this is what we're going to do. For emergency, we're going to put $60. For moving out, we're going to put $40. For healthcare, we're going to put $30. For tax prep, we're going to put $40. For citizenship, we're adding $50. And for credit cards, we're adding $30. So the total is $250. Now let's move to bills. Rent, phone bill, car payment, self-lender, groceries, insurance, subscription, utilities. We have $350 going towards rent. We have $60 going towards phone bill, and we have $100 going towards car payments. And that's how we're gonna split the 510. Self-lender already have this amount. Groceries we're not adding until 4 more clients, so we'll add from that to groceries. Insurance as well. Subscriptions already have, and utilities already have. So the total here is $510. Next, we're moving to low priority. And for low priority, we have online shopping, We have Leia stuff, going out, gadget accessories, household items, self-care, luxury items, and mommy stuff. Forgot the line. It's a lot of things happening on this page. I just printed these, so I have to do this again. For online shopping, we're adding $20. For Leia stuff, we're adding $15. For going out, we're adding $30. For gadget accessories, we're adding $10. Household items, we're adding $30. Self-care, we're adding $40. Luxury items, $20. Books, $10. And mommy, $25, which totals $200. And then last but not least, we have two more. So for sinking funds, we have $400. I should put 4, my bad. It was $440 for sinking funds. That was my mistake. Sinking funds need to be bigger. I received $150 from my dad for Christmas and $150 from my dad for Christmas and $120 from my stepmom for Christmas. So I decided that I was going to take the 50 and the 20 and put that towards savings, and the $200 was going to go towards my birthday, because y'all know my birthday coming up. Y'all know my birthday is coming up. We need more boxes for these categories, so we're going to see if we could squeeze them. Christmas, Valentine's, oh my god, your girl is all over the place today. Definitely have to redo this since I've made my new envelopes. That's why everything's not holding on my thing, because I made new envelopes and I forgot that I added more categories. So I'm going to have to redo these boxes and add more. So for right now, today, we're going to be squeezing stuff, okay? We have birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, my birthday, graduation, car maintenance, vacation, and summer. So for birthdays, which is regular birthdays, we're adding $40. For Christmas, we're adding $20. For Valentine's, we're adding $40. You know, that's coming up. I don't know what my boyfriend wants to do. For my birthday, I'm adding the $200 for my Christmas gift. For graduation, we're adding $40. For car maintenance, we're adding $30. I need to renew my registration, by the way. And for vacation, we're adding $40. And for summer, we're adding $20. So total $440. I'm sorry, y'all, I have to be squinging these things in. For savings, this is what we're planning to do for savings. I'm heading into my big bag saving challenge book. I decided to start big bag over because I wanted to try to do it for the year. So I'm like, let me just start it over for the new year. So we're gonna start over the big bag saving challenge book, and we're going to make that our years, our challenge for the year. So big bag is about to be your challenge for the year. I've started over the book, and we're gonna see if we could do the book in 1 year is the plan. With this, I haven't decided how much is going where, because I'm going to be doing, let's put scratch and save. So I'm going to be doing the big bag saving challenge book along with 32 paychecks, scratch and save, and $20 Fridays are the challenges that we'll be doing. We're starting off with. So big bag might be the one that goes right through the year, because y'all know that's the book. And then 32 paychecks might be through the year as well. And then scratch and save. So whenever scratch and save finishes, we'll jump to another challenge. But we're going to be doing the big bag savings and the 32 paychecks throughout the year. Now I've ordered a container to do the 32 paychecks in, along with the $20 Friday. So I'm going to do those two challenges together in one jar. My jar didn't come as yet, so whenever the jar comes, y'all will see the little jar. This is basically what we're doing with our $1,705. And these are basically going to be the stuffings for the rest of the week. So you're going to get a video with bill stuffing, low priority, high priority, sinking funds, and savings. I promise you, the next time I come on here, these boxes will be corrected to, you know, the right. These boxes will be the right way, I promise. And you know what the funny thing is? A lot of these pages were printed and updated to my budget planner. That's where the joke lies, because now I'm gonna have to go back through the whole thing, remove these pages, and fix the page. But story of my life, right? So let me get my highlighter. So these are the videos that y'all will get in this week. You guys will get cash stuffing 510 to bills, 200 to low priority, 250 to high priority, 440 to sinking funds, and 305 to savings. And that's how we looking. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I promise y'all the next time I come on here, this thing will be taken care of and everything everything will have their own space, I promise. But thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a good rest of your day.